History of C&C Yachts. Navigating the waters of innovation. Founded in 1963 by Paul Tennyson under the name Canadian Sailcraft, C&C Yachts emerged as a Canadian sailboat manufacturer that would make waves in the industry. Nestled in Brampton, Ontario, close to Toronto's yachting hub, the company specialized in crafting fiberglass sailboats, setting a standard for precision and quality on the water. Tennyson's journey commenced in 1963 when, as the owner of a reinforced plastics business, he ventured into sailboat production with the Cornice dinghy. The Caprice 15 followed in 1968, and by 1970, the company shifted its focus to keelboats, rebranding itself as C&C Yachts. Best inventions. Designing dreams on water. C&C Yachts prided itself on a lineage of esteemed designers, starting with John Butler, the visionary behind the CS-22. The design team was led by Raymond Wall from 1977 to 1983, contributing to iconic models like the CS-27 and CS-36. In 1983, Tony Castro took the helm as head designer, crafting renowned vessels such as the CS-36 Merlin and CS-30. The fall, unraveling dreams. Despite reaching its production zenith in 1986 with 175 completed boats and relocating to a sprawling 100,000 square feet facility in 1987, C&C Yachts faced challenges. By 1990, diminishing demand for new sailboats precipitated a decline in operations. The once thriving company wound up its business in 1992, marking the end of an era.